So in this video today, I'm going to go over how I make 10K a month working less than 5 hours a week. Now you might think, how is that possible? How can you make 10K a month by just working 5 hours or less than 5 hours a week? Well, I've been doing it, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I've been doing. But before I show you that, I'm just going to give you my story about who I am and my background. This is my story. My name is Alim. I started working a 9-to-5 job at 17. You can see from the image over here, I was working in Argos. If you don't know what Argos is like a UK store where they used to sell electronics and other bits and bobs. I was working there at 17. It was my first job. As you can see, that's why I'm smiling. And yeah, I obviously at the time it was great because it was a job. I was going to earn some money for myself. Very quickly I realized that this is not what I want to do. Working a 9-to-5 is just not for me. After that, I worked there for a bit, and then I joined Sky, and here I worked here for 4 years. This is just me taking calls. Now, I worked here for 4 years, probably one of the best experiences I've had in terms of sales, because this is probably what's allowed me to make so much money now. So just quick little background on some of the jobs I did. Worked here for 4 years and whatnot. Then I was making around £2,000 a month. £2,000 a month, which I think is around $2,500, $2,400. So yeah, it wasn't much. Literally just getting by every month. And yeah, I had to change, and I needed to change. And this is when I made that decision. So this is me now. I left the UK, I quit my job, and I moved to Dubai to set up my online business. Now, at the time, I had no savings. I didn't really have a plan. My only plan was to come to Dubai and maybe find a job, or find something that I can make money with. I already had some sort of online income, but it wasn't enough to survive. But yeah, I literally just left the UK. I took the biggest risk of my life, and yeah, and I just came here without a plan. Now this was around 7-8 months ago, and now 8 months later, 7-8 months later, I'm managing to sustain myself here in Dubai. But as you can see from here, not only am I able to make money, but I've got freedom as well, because I'm working less than 5 hours a week. So as you can see here from the images, this is me in Dubai Marina, just living life. Here I went to a shisha lounge in the Burj Khalifa, and then you got me here as well. Now this is a striped screenshot of the first client that I signed. So you can see this is how much I made in one day. I made £1,500, which is around $2,000. Now a lot of you are probably asking, what is this business model? What are you doing to make money here? And how are you able to make 10K a month by working less than 5 hours a week? Well, I'm going to show you, and it might actually blow your mind, but once you understand the business model and you understand the system, you're going to realize that you can actually do this yourself. So what is this business model? So the business model is essentially a high ticket coaching offer where you essentially sell high ticket services to clients. Now this can be in any niche, and I'll go through some examples down below, but essentially it's one-to-one coaching for 1 hour every week or month. I'd recommend every month for scaling. If you're first starting out, every week is good. Now, just before I give you the examples, let me show you how this business model actually works. So you create traffic. Now, traffic can be through YouTube, through Instagram, through TikTok. These are organic methods to get traffic. You can also get traffic through the paid route as well. However, I would recommend going through the organic method in the beginning, and then once you started to establish yourself, then you should turn on paid ads. So once you've got the traffic, that then goes into a funnel. Now, a funnel can be a website, it can be a calendar page, it can be a VSL, it can be anything, but it just needs to be a system in place where you get your clients to go to after you get the initial traffic. From there, they can either book a call. After they book a call, you'll jump on a call with them, you'll offer your services and get them to convert. Once you do that, you'll then make your sale, and then after you've made your sale, you've got that client, and you then need to provide value. Now, if we scroll down, I'm going to give you some examples of these offers, right? So these are the examples. In fact, let me show you close up. So you've got a woman teaching how to knit, right? She charges around $1,000 a month. She's got around 18 clients. She makes around $18,000 a month. Crazy, absolutely crazy. So this just shows anything is possible. This just shows that pretty much any niche will work. And yeah, this blows a lot of people's mind. I mean, she's making 18 grand a month teaching people how to knit. The next example is how to stop drinking alcohol. So there's someone teaching a course on how to stop drinking alcohol. They charge $8,500 a month. They've got 10 clients. They're making $85,000 a month. Again, some insane numbers here, insane numbers. You've got someone else, how to start a recruitment agency. Again, 6.5K, they're charging a month. They've got 20 clients. They're making $130,000 a month. Another one, how to stop smoking. 2.8K a month is what they charge. 10 clients. $28,000 per month. Now you can see just from these offers how crazy it is and how you don't need that many clients, right? So for example, let's say your offer is $5,000. You only need 2 clients per month to make $10,000 a month. So I'm just trying to show you guys what's possible, right? And how it can literally make you so much money. And then you're probably wondering, well, how do you work less than 5 hours a week? Well, as I explained, it's one-to-one coaching for 1 hour every week. So let me give you an example, right? Let's say your offer is $5,000. Let's say you charge $5,000, you've got 2 clients, and you do one-to-one with them for 1 hour each a week. You're then making 10K a month by working only 2 hours a week. So this is what I'm saying. This is the best business model to do. And currently, in my opinion, it's the fastest way to make money online, which anyone can do. Literally anyone can do this. It doesn't matter your age, it doesn't matter where you come from, it doesn't matter about anything. If you've got a skill, which everyone has a skill, right? You might be watching this and think, oh, I don't have a skill, this and that. Again, there's someone teaching people how to knit. So if you're telling me you don't have a skill, then you haven't unlocked that knowledge that you've got that skill. There are people, right? And some of my clients as well, they've come to me, and especially people that have joined on board that said that they don't have a skill. We work together, and in fact they do have a skill, and it's with everyone. It's just a case of unlocking that skill, because you don't know, you could be sitting there with a skill that's worth $10, $20, $30, $40,000 a month, but you just don't know it, right? You're sitting there saying, I don't have a skill, I'm not good at anything. But what you don't realize is that you do have a skill, and that skill could be worth $20, $30, $40,000 a month. Like, imagine if someone told you that you've got a skill worth 30, 40K a month. Would you really not take action? Would you really just stay where you are? Because we all got a skill. Every single one of us has a skill. Now, you probably got questions like, I probably need a lot of views. I need a huge following. No, you don't need 1 million views to make money. No, you don't need to have a massive following. And trust me, before I started doing this and before I started making money online using this business model, I used to be the same. I used to procrastinate. I used to think, okay, I'm going to try and get everything else perfect. And, I'm going to try and build my brand. No, it doesn't work like that. I'm currently making 10K a month. If you look at my following, right, my following is extremely low. I've got what, 500-600 followers on Instagram. I'll show you guys my channel. This is my channel, right? And you can see I've got about 3,000, 4,000 subscribers. Might seem like a lot to some people, but when you compare it to other YouTubers, it's not a lot. So I'll show you an example. This video right over here, right, 210 views, okay? Now, if I was to tell you I signed 2 high-ticket clients just from this video alone, which shows that you don't actually need a lot of views, because at the end of the day, you're targeting that 1%, and that 1% can earn you a lot of money. Now, if you still don't believe me, I'm going to show you another example, right? There's a guy called William Brown. Now, William Brown has helped me quite a lot with my own business, right? Now, if we look at his YouTube channel, he's made $466,000 per month through YouTube. And look, he gets around 3 to 4, 5, 6K views, which again is not a lot. So this just shows the power of YouTube. This just shows the power of just getting started. And again, guys, it's just one decision. One decision is all it takes to change your life. If I didn't take that decision and move to Dubai, I would probably still be in London right now, depressing weather. I'd be in my 9 to 5, and life would be so different. So just that one decision that I made to leave the UK, quit my job, move to Dubai, take that risk, start my online business, is what's led me to where I am today. Now, guys, if you are seriously interested in doing this, if this is something that, this is a business model that you want to do, well, book a call with me down in the link below, and I'll jump on the call and we'll see if we can work together. Because at the end of the day, not only will I make money, of course, which is what I want to do, but I'll be able to help you make money and start this business so you can start making money online and have freedom. Again, it's totally up to you. This is not like a sales video or anything like that. To be honest, I literally just made this video to show you guys what's possible. Whether you book a call with me or not, I don't really care. I've already got clients that are paying me, and I'm making 10K a month working less than 5 hours a week.